Hello, everyone. It's time to go home from school. I wonder what our friend will do today. Let's follow them and see what their after-school routine is like. The school bell rings. It's time to pack my bag. I put my books, my pencils, and my drawings inside. Zip. All done. I say goodbye to my teacher and my friends. See you tomorrow. Walking home is so much fun. I see green trees and colorful flowers. Look, a little bird is singing a song. Hello, little bird. The sun is shining and the sky is so blue. It feels great to be outside. I'm home. The first thing I do is wash my hands with soap and water. Scrub, scrub, scrub. It's important to keep our hands clean. Now they are fresh and ready for a snack. An apple. It's red, crunchy, and so yummy. Apples are a healthy snack to give me energy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. So delicious. After my snack, it's time for homework. I sit at my desk and open my notebook. I have to do some math and a little bit of reading. Focusing on my homework now means I can play later. All finished. I did my best. Now, it's playtime. I have a toy car and some building blocks. Vroom, vroom. I can build a tall tower. Wow, look how high it is. Playing is the best part of the day. After playing, I help my parents set the table for dinner. I put out the plates, the forks, and the spoons. Helping my family is a great way to show I care. Dinner is ready. We all eat together and talk about our day. The sun is going down. It's getting dark outside. That means it's time to get ready for bed. I brush my teeth to keep them strong and healthy. Up and down, side to side. Then, I change into my cozy pajamas. Finally, it's story time. My mom reads me a wonderful story about magical adventures. I love listening to stories before I sleep. It helps me have sweet dreams. Good night, everyone. I had a great day. Thanks for joining me today. What's your favorite thing to do after school? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.